Hello guys, welcome to another edition of Autocad practice. This is going to be our practice number 6. So today, this is the drawing we are going to try to see if we can make exactly this drawing. I did not have time to um, take down the dimensions, but I have the dimensions, so I will be saying out the dimensions as I'm working. So in case you can't hear the dimension as I'm saying it, you can look at the command line in just AutoCAD. You see where I'm going to be typing the dimension. So I'm going to be referring to this drawing from time to time to see what I'm going to insert later. So without wasting time, let's see if we can use at most 6 minutes to finish this drawing. It's actually simple. So first of all, this drawing, I always said the way I understand this drawing is, in fact, if you look at the drawing is symmetrical. If you can divide it into two, what you have on the left hand side, the same thing with what you have on the right hand side. So, and you have circles all over. So it's just a very simple drawing. So let's start. Let's start. Uh, so first of all, I'm going to draw a line of length. Just like draw a straight line of length 230. Sorry, 230. Enter. Alright. So this line indicates the center of these two circles at the extreme end. At the two extreme ends, you have two circles. So the line stop at the centers of each of those circles. So let's continue. So first of all, I'm going to take a circle to draw a circle of radius 4. I will draw another circle of radius 9. And then I will draw another one of radius 11. I'm done with that. So now I'm going to copy the same thing to the other side. Just copy. No need to draw, just copy because it's the same thing. Now the circle in the middle, the circle in the middle from the center or from the line is about 7 units down. Okay, so I will draw a line from that center 7 units, and then it is at that center that I will have this circle. So I will just copy this circle from the center here to the center of this line, right? Okay, so now I'm going to draw another circle. This time around, this circle will have a radius of 17, right? Okay, now after that, I'm going to do tangent to this particular circle. So you go to your circle, you pick a tangent radius, and you click the two circles, this and this, and enter a radius of 200. Enter. Once you are done, you trim it off like this. It's done. Now what I'm going to do next is to offset. So I'm going to offset that a distance of 22. Okay, I have this. Alright. So the next thing I'm going to do is I don't want to mirror at the moment. So since I said that it's symmetrical, let me just finish with one side. Okay. So since the drawing is symmetrical, so I will concentrate on one side. When I'm through, I will now mirror to have the other side. So at this point, I'm going to draw a line. I can move my line downward at the center of that circle. Okay, so at that point, I'm going to offset a distance of 27 rightward Then from there I'll set again 50. Okay, after offsetting this, I'm going to rotate this. Just rotate this angle of 15, and then I'm going to rotate this also angle of minus 15. Alright, then I'm going to delete the lines that are not relevant here. This one is not relevant anymore. Yes. Then I'm going to trim this. Okay, let me leave trimming. So I'm going to offset this line, this circle, a distance of 5. Let's use 5. So I'm going to offset this 5, offset this 5, and then this is where I'm going to trim everything. So now I'm going to select this, and trim off these ones. Now I can now select this, and trim off these ones. Okay, so I'm going to use fillet of radius 1 to finish off this. No, wait, that is not it. Fillet. Let's look at the drawing again. Okay. That is fillet of radius 1. Okay. So I'm going to do the same fillet again, but this time radius 5. Oh no. Okay, yeah. I have to trim something. So let's trim this off. This part. Yeah. From there I can now apply fillet. Yes, this is what I wanted to do. Yes. Then at this moment, I think I can now mirror. So let's see how mirror will work here. So I just select a whole of this, take the center of this and mirror. No, not move. Mirror MI. Select the whole of this. Take the center, then mirror it like this. See? So I can now trim off this part. There is something wrong here. Trim. Let me extend this line. It looks like they are not touching. Okay, let me now see if I can trim this. Okay, so fine. I think this is okay. I think I can now delete this line at the center. It's not relevant anymore. Let's look at the drawing. Is there anything that we have not included? Let's check. I think we are done with the drawing. As simple as that. I'm not sure there is any other thing that we have not included in the drawing. I'm not sure. Okay, so we have the drawing exactly the way it was given. So we have reproduced the drawing using Autocad. So that is the end. There is something I want to say right now. Please, if you are learning AutoCAD, like that is, you are learning from scratch, you don't understand the use of some of these tools like rotate, trim, please, I would advise you to go back to my very first video on AutoCAD, like AutoCAD Practical Lesson 1, AutoCAD Practical Lesson 1 and 2. Right. On AutoCAD Practical Lesson 1, I have taken time to explain each and every one of the tools that I've been using all this while. And if you also finish one, you watch video AutoCAD Practical Lesson 2. You also gain much, so that when I'm doing all this practice, you will not find it difficult to understand where some of the tools I'm using. Just go back and learn those tools, please, so that you'll be able to catch up. Thank you for watching. Please, if you find this video useful, subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.